Hello everybody, my name is Halo. Welcome to this video series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this episode we are solving problem 148A, which is called Insomnia Cure. It's a very simple problem. Let's go ahead and see how to solve it. Right, so let's read through the problem once before we attempt to solve it. What we're saying is, one dragon, two dragon, three dragon, the princess was counting. Okay, she had trouble falling asleep basically, and she got bored of counting lamps when she was lying. Okay, and just counting the dragons was boring as well, so she entertained herself the best as she could. Okay, tonight she imagined that all dragons were here to steal her, and she was fighting them off. So every kth dragon got punched, every lth dragon got his tail shut, every mth dragon got his paws trampled. Finally, she threatened every nth dragon to call her mom, and he withdrew in panic. Okay, so basically there are four different ways the dragons got damaged, and they're asking how many imaginary dragons suffered these moral or physical damages tonight. Okay, if the princess counted D dragons, so out of D dragons we need to find out how many dragons got punched, how many dragons got their trail shut, got trampled, or called their mom. Okay, so all of that combined, not separately also. So let us take one input case. It's very simple, and let's manually work it out before we go to the code. So there are 24 total dragons. D is equal to 24, and first K is equal to 2. So every tooth dragon will obviously take damage. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Okay, and then every third dragon is going to be what? It's going to get its tail shut in the balcony. Okay, so this dragon is gone. 6 is already gone, so we don't need to count that again. 9 is gone. 12 also already gone. We don't need to count that again. And then 15 is also gone. And then 18 is already gone, so we don't need to count that again. 21 is gone. 24 is already gone, so we don't need to count that again. Okay, and then what else do we have? We have every mth dragon, and m is 4, so 4th already gone. 8 already gone, 12 already gone, 16 already gone, 20 already gone, and 24 already gone. So that is also done. 4 is also done, and n is equal to 5. So this gone, 10 already gone, and then 15 is also already gone, 20 is also already gone. There is no 25, so that's not a problem. So how many dragons are there in the total? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So totally 17 dragons are getting exposed. So how do we solve this in Python? It's very, very simple. We're going to simply add one if loop, and we're saying if this particular I, so I will go from 1 to 24, and we're going to say if that particular I is divisible by either L, K, M, or N, let us go ahead and add to the total one dragon. Okay. And then we'll finally print this total value. That's it. So let's look at how this looks like in code. Right, so if you guys know how to solve this, I highly recommend you to do it yourself, but in case you don't, just stick around. Okay, so first things first, they're telling us to take four things. So they're telling to take us K, L, M, N. Okay, so let's take K as an input, and let's take L as an input, and let's take M as an input, and then let's take N as an input. Okay, and finally we also have D. Let us declare the total number of dragons that gets hurt as total. Okay, and let us loop for I in range of 1 to this particular D, but D will be excluded if you put just D, because for loop goes until this value minus 1. So let's just put D plus 1 so that it goes up to D from 1. Okay, and next what do we check? If I percentage what L equal to 0, or I percentage K equal to 0, or I percentage M equal to 0, or I percentage N equal to 0. In that case, let's just go ahead and increase this total value by 1. Then what we can do is we can just go ahead and print this total value. So once we are done with that, let's just go ahead and run this code. You can see it's passing the test cases. Let's just go ahead and submit this as well, so that you guys know that this code works. It's again very, very simple solution, and it became a lot easier for us because all we need to do was just run one for loop, and the common dragons we don't have to do any special case on them. We just need to count them once instead of counting them many times. Okay, so as you can see, this got accepted, and this is the solution for this problem. I hope this helped you. If you guys have any questions or alternative approaches, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.